Today, I'll walk you through how to make lists in Salesforce, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create and customize lists so you can efficiently manage your data. First, let's get started by logging into Salesforce. Once you're in, locate the app launcher, which is represented by a grid icon with 9 dots. Click on it to open your applications. This is where you'll find all the tools you need. Next, click on the tab for the object you want to create a list for. This could be contacts, leads, or accounts, depending on what data you want to manage. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Now look for the List View Controls gear icon, which is situated in the top right corner of the list header. Click on that icon and then select New from the drop-down menu. This is where you will begin crafting your new list. You'll need to enter a list name such as West Coast Prospects. As you do this, the list API name will auto-populate for you, making the process a bit easier. After naming your list, it's time to decide who can see this list view. This is an important step for maintaining data privacy and ensuring the right team members have access. Once you've made your selection, click Save to move forward. Now that your list is created, click the filter icon, which looks like a funnel in the top right corner of the list view. This will allow you to refine your list further. Next, click on Filter by Owner to choose between viewing all objects or just your own objects. This is similar to choosing between a buffet or a personal plate. It helps you focus on what matters most to you. To set custom field criteria, click Add Filter. Here, you can specify conditions like state equals CA or lead status equals open. This customization is key to ensuring your list serves its intended purpose. Once you've set your filters, click the List View Controls gear icon again. This time, select Select Fields to display. Here, you'll be able to customize the information shown in your list. You can move fields from the Available Fields column to the Visible Fields column. For example, you might want to include name, email, phone, and company. This step is akin to organizing your closet. You want to display the items that are most useful to you. If you want to change the order of the columns, use the up and down arrows to reorder them as you see fit. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click Save to finalize your list setup. And there you have it, you've successfully created a customized list in Salesforce. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.